Today I am going to share my review of Data Annotation Tech, a platform that allows people to earn money remotely by working on data labeling and AI related projects. This site has become quite popular, but reviews are very mixed. Some users love it, while others walk away disappointed. Let's start with the positives. One big advantage is flexibility. You can work anytime, from anywhere, which makes it ideal for side hustlers, students, or stay at home parents. There's also a variety of tasks available from simple labeling jobs to advanced coding based projects. If you're building your CV, this can also serve as a valuable learning opportunity since you'll gain direct experience in AI training and annotation. But it's not all smooth sailing. Many people report delayed or inconsistent payments, which can be frustrating. There are also lots of unpaid assessments, meaning you spend hours testing with no guarantee of work or compensation. Task availability can be limited too, especially for non coders, and the repetitive nature of lower paying jobs may feel tedious over time. Here are some unique tips to help you succeed on data annotation. Tech. Prioritize coding skills, learn a bit of Python if you can, since coders often qualify for higher paying projects. Check task boards frequently, opportunities come and go fast, so timing is everything. Track your hours carefully, since payments can be inconsistent. Keeping detailed records helps you follow up if issues arise. Start small, treat it as a side hustle first, and scale up only if you find steady, well paying projects. Overall, data annotation tech can work well as a supplemental income stream, but it's not a guaranteed or stable job. Your success depends on your skills, persistence, and ability to grab the right tasks. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.